Party Youth Wing. And first of all, आम्ही सगळ्यांक actually आमचे युथाक आणि पेरेंट्स आणि टिचर्सांक congratulations म्हणपाक जाय कित्याक I think so the 4 or 5 days of strong ground protest आणि online protest चालू आसले. CM directly decision घेतला की exam postpone करपाक yesterday. So all the hard work of the students in the matter of the COVID situation, congratulations म्हणपाक जाय सगळ्यांक तुमकां. And we as Aam Aadmi Party आमी सदांच हात तुमच्या वांगडा support करपाक, voice करपाक, and we will always be there with you. But with the same thing, we were also very disappointed to hear that there was a press note today by the NSUI students claiming that ki Aam Aadmi kai koruna ani basically they are taking credit for the whole thing. Ki Rahul Bamre pasun Pernem he didn't come to the police station and he didn't release the students. Ata if you go on the Goa app page, हिंगा पोवपाक जाता की सगळे प्रूफ हा, videos are there की राहुल मांबरे आम्ही सगळे जाण कितें कितें केला. आता we have Nikhil with us. He also was witness of it. आम्ही पासून students who were protesting in Panjim, we met up with them. Students who were protesting in Margao, we met up with them. We met up with everyone and we stood by them. From the 18th that we took a decision to stand by the students, आम्ही सोडूंक ना students till yesterday. And we were constantly on Twitter storm, we were doing everything possible. Ata, this press note that they have released, we don't want to do dirty politics and we don't know why they have done this press note. Students are a witness of it. Ami Sokla, ground level, not just sitting in the backup and giving press note. Ground level of yon Ami a protest attend kela. Submit korun and till we met the chairperson. Till we met the chairperson of the Goa board, we didn't give up. That is from morning till evening. Ata Nikhil Santalo ki what was the our plan of action for the youth?
So जसं की सचिन सांगलो की प्रेस नोट आम्ही पहिली NSUN रिलीज केली. सो आम्ही म्हणटा की हे डिवाइड एंड पॉलिटिक्स कित्याक करता. पॉलिटिक्साचो आमचो काय इश्यूच नासलो. आमी स्टुडंटाचो इश्यू जो आशिल्लो तो मुद्दो घेवन आमी भायर सरिल्ले की हो मुद्दो आमी सॉल्व करतले. होच आमचो एक प्रश्न आशिल्लो. तांकां स्पेशल प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स कित्याक घेतल्या की आम आदमी पार्टीचो रिस्पॉन्सिबल ना आनी हें ना तें ना. ते म्हणटा की आमी फोन करून सगळे करता जाल्यार तुमी फोन करून सगळे कॅन्सल करपाचें न्ही. You should have just called people up and cancelled or postponed the exam. If that is the thing, our leader was present on the ground. That is what we wanted to say. Okay, so हम तो politicize करना नहीं. So NSU करना तो politicize and they are free to go ahead with this.
And also with all the stress level, आता आम्ही पहिला की students कितले stress level because of this exams and everything. So आम्ही एक helpline कशे start करू शकतो. We want to introduce a helpline. It's a counseling helpline. जे कोणाक अजून start करू ना ते आम्ही help करपाक जाय आमचे youth. And the number is 7504750475. और आमचो helpline number आसलो. And to all the students, if you have difficulty in talking to your own parents or to your teachers, and you want to share what you feel, all you have to do is a WhatsApp message on this number. That is your name, either you belong to a particular village or a city, then which school you belong to and which standard. ये हमें concise data करूँ, we will give it to our professional counselors who we have been appointing right now. We already have few on board and most teachers will be coming and joining us. So Samtaki, we want to help the youth. We want the youth to be stress free. Jeki the issue ha, problem asa, ami ha. Ato helpline number given, you need to reach out to us. What is your problem? Because I am telling you, during this situation, there was one boy who wanted to suicide because the exams were not getting postponed. I have got screenshot of him of his friend sending me a picture, ma'am, my friend tried to cut himself, this is what he did. And we were back and forth on conversation with all the youth. Atha, this is very important that these counselors are there to reach out. Put na number under 7504750475 WhatsApp message dada, and we are there to stand by and we are there to fight with you till the end. And congratulations once